We've got some Kaiko products to open from the sensory lab. Let's get into it. Wow, look at that. I am in awe. Look at all the different kinds we have here. Now, am I going to remember every single one and what it's called? Absolutely not. What do we start with? Let's go for the acupressure style ring in oil slick. These pain stims are so nice and discreet because you can take them to school with you. You can have it in your pocket when you're walking the dog, on the train, at work, wherever you happen to be. Very light pressure, but you do feel it. You can squeeze it if you want to. Okay, let's put that back. What else do we have? I love doing this with things like fidget loops. So for me, this is how I would naturally gravitate to using it. Ooh, it's got lovely texture. Another discreet fidget that can fit into your pocket. Very discreet there. What is this? Is this the mini cog? Oh, okay. So this is most like a fidget spinner. It says Kaiko in the middle, and I'm guessing. Ooh. That's so mesmerizing to watch. Look at it go. That really does have a nice spin to it, and it spins for a while. Lovely quiet fidget. There's our little wristlet. And then these are the beads. Whoa, look at these. While the beads on these ones were like this, these feel more rounded. I wonder if they make a similar noise. They're nice and smooth. Let's go for this bike chain style fidget. Oh, that is nice and weighted. That's delightful. I really like this. Ooh, I like this. So this looks like it has an oil slick ball bearing inside of it. I wonder if it acts like a fidget spinner. Slightly. Doesn't, oh, a little bit. It rotates a bit. I think it's more so like a worry stone is meant to be. You can move the ball bearing around between your fingers. Wow. It's stunning. It is weighted. Again, a lot of these are weighted, but you can tell that they are made from quality materials. So pretty. The last one in here we have is, I'd like to call it a flick chain, but I'm not sure if that's the official name. I do already have a flip chain, but not Kaiko branded. I'm not fantastic at trying to work them, so do bear with me. Just love the colours. Although these may be slightly pricier than other fidgets, they are made to last, and you can really tell by the quality, the details. Okay, so while I'm struggling to get them all back into their box, or how they originally came, I think those are absolutely delightful. And I like how you get a mini version of each product in the works tin. There's our silkworm and our concave caterpillar. Do you have any Kaiko products? Which one's your favourite?